There's a story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on, hold on.
I just can't get all this work done. So many emails.
Llama, 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 llama.
I'm not coming out in the rain. Go swim.
Since we no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I thought some corn.
You want to hold Yuki? You have to sit. I have Yuki, you have to sit. Oh baby, you stink so bad. Hold Yuki. There you go. Go see Rosie. Yeah. Come here. Hey, come here. Sullivan. Sully. Come here. Come on. Come on. I'm so sorry.
No, my bad.
Okay, people, can we chill? Okay.
No, wait, hang on, stop, you don't want to do this. Listen, I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy, don't do it, no!
You love that, huh? You love it?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished.
Damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like woo. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to woo. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star. Woo. Her
What are you doing? Open the door again, like pretend. Come on, Sonny.
Now jump. Jump in.
Is they scared?
Oh, she's pushing it towards him.
Oh,
I swear to God, these dogs have like the wildest parties out here ever. We got one on the table. Looks like he had about 250 too many. And then we got one in the chair. Oh, Jesus, puppies.
You're a bad boy.
Where are you?
you too. You're gonna go in timeout if you keep it up. Do you understand me? Fucker.
Come here.
Oh, what? I love you.
Beautiful day to go for a ride, even though it's cold, eh, pal? Actually, we're going out for a special reason. I wanted to say, you see that over there? You see it? You see that, pal? No, maybe not. Anyway, so I figured what we do is I would take my
Oh, good boy.
He's trying to save you! He's saving you!
I don't even know what See? I'm drunk.
What's up, Curtis, man? What you eating? Okay. A little something. I mean, it ain't cornflakes, but, you know, it's a little something. Curtis, y'all right, man? Why are you looking at me like that? You in my bowl like it's yours. I mean, share the wealth, Curtis. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we family, right? You know? We roommates, Curtis. With mine is yours, was yours and mine. It's funny you never share your cornflakes and bird seed with me. I'm the only one giving to you. That ain't fair. What's mine is yours. Hey, Curtis don't like people in his food, man. He might hurt you. Man, me and Curtis go way back, man. He ain't gonna hurt me. Let me get back in this bowl, man. You ain't about to do nothing, right, Curtis? If this camera wasn't on, I'd have me some chicken tonight. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
So you back, I'm a savage, classic, bougie, ratchet.
He went. They said we've both been dancing all this time. What a coincidence.
Sit. 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 Good. Fucking hell, man.
Good boy.